In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms and assignments in Weebly in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to set up a simple contact form or an assignment submission page on your website, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Weebly's homepage. If you already have a Weebly account, great. You're ready to log in, simply click on the login button, which you'll find at the top right of the screen. A new page will appear asking for your credentials. Go ahead and type in your email address and hit next. This will take you to the password field where you can enter your password and then click log in to access your dashboard. Once logged in, locate and click on the overview section from the dashboard menu. This area gives a general summary of your site's performance and other related stats, but today we're here to do some editing, so look for and click the edit site button. This action will launch the Weebly site editor interface. Now we're in the Weebly editor and you'll notice a variety of tools and functions available. Direct your attention to the build tab on the left side of the screen and select it. This opens up a panel with different elements you can add to your site. Here, find the contact page section. Clicking on it brings you to an area where you can start adding your forms. To create a contact form, click and drag the contact form element from the build panel onto your desired place on the contact page. After it's placed, you can click on the form to customize it according to your needs. You'll have options to adjust the various fields, such as name, email, and message, to better suit your purpose. Once satisfied with your customizations, don't forget to click Save to ensure your changes are not lost. With the contact form set up, you might also want to add an assignment submission form. To do this, click and drag another form element to your page and edit it as desired, possibly removing unneeded fields to streamline the form for assignment submissions. If your assignment form requires a file upload feature, be aware this might need a plan upgrade to support it. This feature allows users to upload documents directly through the form, perfect for assignments or applications. After setting up both your forms, it's time to finalize the design and save your progress. Click the Save button one last time to ensure everything is secured. Finally, when you're ready to share your new forms with the world, hit the Publish button. Your site will be updated with these new functionalities, accessible to anyone visiting your page. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've created both a contact form and an assignment form on Weebly. Thanks for joining me, and don't hesitate to explore further customization options to make your forms truly suit your needs.